problem number 28. Whoops. Problem number 28 asks us to write the inequality of the graph shown below. Before you can write the inequality, you first have to find the equation of the line. And to find the equation of the line, we need to identify two things. We need to identify the slope, which we think of as m, and we need to identify the y-intercept. And then we'll be able to write the equation in slope-intercept form. And then we'll deal with the less than or greater than, since this side is shaded. So when we look at this line, the first thing I'm going to do is find the y-intercept. And the y, when I look at the line, it intercepts the y-axis at 4. So the y-intercept is 4. We also, another name for the y-intercept is b. That can get kind of confusing sometimes, so I'm going to go ahead and write that out. Now we need to find the slope, and we can find the slope by just finding another point on the line besides the y-intercept, and I'm just going to pick this point right here. And our slope is, to get, the line is falling from left to right, so we know that we have a negative slope, and it's falling 1 and running 1. So our slope is 1 over 1, which just simplifies to 1. And it's negative because our line is falling from left to right. Now that we know that our slope is 1, I don't know why I keep doing that on this problem. Our slope is negative 1, and our y-intercept is 4. We can use the fact that we know that an equation of a line can be written as y equals mx plus b. So we can write the equation of the line as y equals negative 1x, so you just write it as negative x plus 4. If it wasn't shaded, we'd be finished at this point, but since it's shaded, we have to figure out, we have to change this equal sign to a less than or greater than sign, or less than or greater than or equal to. So looking at the side that's shaded, I just look at the y-axis, and I take a point above the line and a point below the line, and I think, well, is the shaded side where the values of y are less or where the values of y are greater? Well, the shaded side has values of y that are less, because these values are like 4, 3, 2, 1. If I go above the line, the values are greater, which are 5, 6, 7, 8. So the values of y that are shaded are less than the values of y that are not shaded. So this is a less than, so you make the less than sign. Since the line is solid, you put a line underneath it, so it's less than or equal to, and then you write it as negative x plus 4.